Hey there! Are you ready to learn about one of the most mind-blowing theories in physics? It's called superstring theory, and it's all about the tiniest building blocks of the universe. Superstring theory started making waves in the physics community in the 1970s. Physicists were trying to figure out how to combine the theory of general relativity, which explains how gravity works, with the theory of quantum mechanics, which explains how the tiny particles that make up everything in the universe behave. But no matter how hard they tried, they just couldn't seem to make the two theories fit together. Enter superstring theory. It proposed that instead of particles, the building blocks of the universe are tiny, one-dimensional strings, and these strings can vibrate at different frequencies, giving rise to different particles. And just like a guitar string can vibrate in different ways to create different notes, these strings can create different particles. But it's not just the tiniest building blocks of the universe that superstring theory can explain. It also predicts the existence of extra dimensions beyond the three we know and love: length, width, and height. And get this, these extra dimensions can be curled up into tiny little loops, making them too small for us to see. Now, the math behind superstring theory is no joke. It involves advanced concepts like Calabi-Yau manifolds and supersymmetry. But don't worry, you don't have to be a math genius to understand the basic idea. So, where do we stand with superstring theory today? Well, it's still a work in progress. Scientists haven't been able to test it yet, but they're working on it. The theory predicts the existence of particles that we haven't seen yet, and scientists are searching for these particles in experiments like the Large Hadron Collider. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll find the evidence we need to finally prove that superstring theory is correct. And when we do, it will give us a whole new understanding of the universe and how it works. So that's a brief overview of superstring theory. It's a mind-bending concept that's still being explored and studied by scientists around the world. But isn't it cool to think that the universe might be made up of tiny, vibrating strings? And that's the beauty of science. It's always an adventure. Thanks for joining me on this journey.